Hello and welcome to the channel. If you're here for all things painting and decorating, you are definitely in the right place, because I am Phil Beckwith, the professional painter and decorator, and I'm going to put my arms out to you now. I'm going to bring you in. I'm going to bring you in, bringing you in, because this channel has been on YouTube since January 2021. Now, clearly you've just found me now, and I'm happy that you have found me, because this channel is for everybody. And when I say everybody, this channel is for the DIY enthusiast. It's for the amateur looking to improve on their painting and decorating skills, and it's not just exclusive to them as well. I am shouting out to anybody that's a professional painter and decorator that might be just dib-dabbing and touching the water of watching Phil Beckwith, the professional painter and decorator, on YouTube to try and pick up a few tips and tricks and techniques along the way that they might not know about. I am here to help, and that's why when I say this channel is here for everybody, it doesn't matter whether you're doing a small project, might be doing a little bit of decorating, painting and decorating at home, you might be a professional decorator on a bigger project. I have this channel here to help people overcome any fears that they might have for painting and decorating. And as I say, whether you're an amateur, a DIYer, a semi-pro, a professional, I am here to help, and I'm happy to help. So please stick with me. If there's any questions, you can always put a comment below, and I am always trying to answer as many questions as possible. I'm here to help. Right, there might be a couple of questions that you want to ask me, and that might come down to what experience and qualifications do I actually have to be able to do a YouTube channel like this. It's plain and simple. I left school in 1990, which is well over 30 years ago. I went to work in the family business, which my father had set up in 1965. I completed a full indentured apprenticeship, and I earned my Advanced Craft City and Guilds qualifications at Basildall College in Nottingham. And while I was there at college, I was very lucky to win the British Decorators Association Cup for high standards in practical work. Now, while I was at college, I quite liked that college environment, and I carried on and I did a night school and did some City and Guilds qualifications in teacher training. So I did actually gain my stage 1 and 2 teacher training certificate, City and Guilds qualifications, that allowed me to do some part-time lecturing at Basildall College, which I really enjoyed. I did that for 3 years. That was teaching MVQ at the time, because it was the mid-90s. And I also did some evening class work where I was actually teaching the decorative treatments class, along with Mike Myatt, if anybody remembers him from Basildall College back in the day, back in the mid-90s. So I'm going to say I'm no one-trick pony picking up this trade as I go along. And you know what people say, every day's a school day if you've never been. What I've done, I've learned from master painters who have completed full apprenticeships and earned their City and Guilds qualifications, just like I did. The beauty is, I'm still working full-time today, focusing mainly on high-end private work. So what I bring to the table is grounded in real-world experience that I'm passing on my knowledge to you on YouTube. And I hope that's what you're coming to this channel for. So the burning question that you've probably got now and you're asking yourself is, why should you be subscribing to Phil Beckwith, the professional painter and decorator channel? Clearly, I'm going to be telling you how to be doing painting and decorating the correct way. I said that before. Now, on my channel, you're going to be seeing me doing paint reviews. I'm going to be doing product reviews. I'm going to be showing you tutorials on how to do project stroke jobs from start to finish. I'm not going to be hitting you with a 30-second reel on how to cut in, because that is not my bag. I am going to be showing you the correct way to do things from start to finish, whether that be brushwork, roller work, spray work, wallpapering, or specialist finishes. And you say specialist finishes, yeah, I'm going to be dib-dabbing onto the decorative paint finishes as well, because I can do the complete painting and decorating. So the thing I'm going to be saying to you is, why should you be subscribing? I want you to subscribe, and I want you to press that bell. I want you to see the new videos that are coming out. The new videos come out Monday and a Thursday, and sometimes I do a video that I feel is, I've got to get it out there. So I do drop an extra video into the week if I feel it interesting enough. And sometimes I do trade shows that are current and up to date, and I try and get those videos out as well. So all in all, yeah, I've got my work cut out, haven't I? Because as I said earlier, I still do full-time painting and decorating, and it clearly is a bit of a full-time job as well, doing the YouTube. So thanks for listening to me. If painting and decorating is your bag, please subscribe, hit that bell, get the notifications going, because I am here to help you.